Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum, and also a very good day to everyone. So, as usual, we will start our class today with page 8. Okay, the title is still about vocabulary 1, and the focus skill is language awareness. This time around, we will continue with task 2. In task 2, what you need to do is you need to complete the sentences with both words. Okay, so for every sentences given, there are two words given, and you need to choose based on these two words, and you need to fill in the blank. Okay, so the first sentence you have discuss and argue. The second sentence you have criticize and advise. The third sentence you have grumble and gossip. And the fourth sentence is praises and accuses. Okay?
Okay, so the first word that we will discuss for today is argue. So let us try to understand the meaning of the word argue first. So argue means is actually to give reasons or cite evidence in support of an idea, action, or theory, typically with the aim of persuading others to share one's view. Okay, this is an example of a sentence. Sociologists argue that inequalities in industrial societies are being reduced. Okay, and to help you understand better, argue also means to persuade someone to do or not to do something by giving them some kind of reasons. Okay, next is discuss. So, discuss means when you have something to talk about with a person or people. For example, I discussed the matter with my wife. Okay, and there are a few synonyms that you can see in the picture that I have provided. So discuss also means talk over, talk about, examine, explore, and study. Okay, and again, this is taken from Oxford Languages. Alright, so after this, we will move on to the third word that you can use for the next sentence. Okay, next is criticize. So criticize means, first of all, to indicate the faults of someone or something in a disapproving way. Okay, I give you an example of a sentence. The opposition criticized the government's failure to consult adequately. Or, criticize also means affirm and express a judgment of a literary or artistic work. Okay, an example of a sentence. A literary text may be criticized on two grounds: the semantic and expressive. Okay, by the way, this is a verb. That is the difference between when to use ZE at the back and SE. Alright, okay, we will move on to the next word. Next word is advise. So, this is also a verb. Okay, so advise means to offer suggestions about the best course of action to someone. For example, I advise him to go home. Or another example, like my case here. My case here as a teacher, and I'm sure you know that I have been asked to be quarantined at home. So you can use me as a reference. Okay, the principal advised me to work from home and to quarantine myself for 10 days at home. Okay, so that is what advice means. Okay, we will move on to the next sentence. Next word. Next word is grumble. Grumble means to complain about something in a bad-tempered way. Okay, normally this happens when you are angry, when you have something that you are unsatisfied with. Okay, an example of a sentence is, I'm getting old, she grumbled. Okay, yes. Normally people feel this when they disagree with something and they are angry with it, but they do not know how to share their anger. So that is when they grumble. Okay, a few synonyms of the word grumble. Grumble can also means moan, groan, and complain. Okay. Next word is gossip. I'm sure my beloved students are actually quite familiar with the word gossip, because I think most people do gossip. However, what gossip means? Gossip means casual or unconstrained conversation or reports about other people, typically involving details that are not confirmed as being true. An example of a sentence is, he became the subject of much local gossip. Okay? Or gossip can also means a conversation about other people. Okay? So you talk about other people, but without any constraint, without any limit. You just keep on talking about that person. And normally we gossip about things that we like, things that we love, or things that we think that it is interesting. Okay, next word is praise. Okay, so what praise means? Praise means express warm approval or admiration of. And also praise also means to express one's respect and gratitude towards someone. A deity means towards God, especially in song. Okay, so praise also means commend or worship, glorify or honor. Okay, so normally, I always practice praise in the classroom with all my students. For example, I say that, very good, you did a good job today since you have finished your task today. So that is the meaning of the word praise. Okay, next is the word accuse. Okay, so accuse means to charge someone with an offense or crime. Okay, or accuse can also means to claim someone or that person that has done something wrong. Okay, there are a few synonyms for the word accuse. Okay, for example, charge with, indict for, blame for, or hold responsibility for. Okay.
Okay, everyone. So we will stop our lesson with that today, with what I have explained. So I hope you have learned a lot today, or at least you have learned something valuable for you to use, not just in the classroom, but with your friends, with your families, or with your loved one. Okay, so this is what I want you to do, and don't forget for all my classes. First of all, please make sure above here, please make sure you watch my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like for more of my videos. Next, number 2, also don't forget to fill in the attendance for every classes. It's really crucial. Crucial means important, by the way. And number 3, okay, don't forget to do the exercises. So I hope everyone will learn a lot and keep on learning English.